Imagine eating foods that keep you full for hours, crush cravings almost instantly, and help your body burn stubborn fat naturally, all without dieting, starving yourself, or counting every calorie. Today, my friend, you're about to discover the top 10 low-calorie foods that curb hunger, while helping you burn fat, and some of these powerhouse foods are already in your kitchen. These hunger-fighting superfoods work with your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, and make it surprisingly easy to lose weight while feeling satisfied and energized all day long. So settle in, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to add to your meals to curb hunger and support fat burning effortlessly. Number 1. Apples, the high-fiber, fat-burning snack. Apples are one of the most effective low-calorie foods for controlling hunger and boosting metabolic efficiency. With fewer than 100 calories per medium apple, they deliver a powerful dose of soluble fiber, especially pectin, which slows digestion dramatically. This slow digestive process creates a natural fullness effect, keeping your appetite steady for hours while helping you avoid unnecessary snacking. Apples also support a healthy gut, which directly influences metabolic rate and fat-burning potential. The natural sweetness of apples helps satisfy sugar cravings without causing blood sugar spikes. The act of chewing them increases satiety signals to the brain, making them a smart alternative to calorie-heavy snacks. Whether eaten alone, paired with cinnamon, or added to salads and oat bowls, apples deliver hunger control, sweetness satisfaction, and metabolic support all at once. Number 2. Cucumbers, the low-calorie hydration powerhouse. Cucumbers contain more than 95% water, making them one of the most effective foods for filling your stomach without adding significant calories, only about 16 calories per cup. Their high water volume expands in your digestive system, creating a sense of fullness that can help reduce total daily calorie intake without leaving you hungry. Cucumbers also improve hydration, support digestion, and help flush out excess water retention, giving your body a leaner, lighter look. Their natural crunch satisfies the desire for volume eating, the urge to eat something big without consuming too many calories. Their antioxidants, including cucurbitacins, support digestive health and reduce inflammation, which is essential for a healthy metabolism. Add them to salads, eat them sliced with lemon, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack any time of the day. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. Number 3. Broccoli, the nutrient-dense fat burner. Broccoli offers one of the most powerful combinations of low calories and high nutrition. With just around 31 calories per cup, it delivers substantial fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients such as vitamin C, K, and folate. But what truly sets broccoli apart is its thermogenic effect. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli require more energy to digest, naturally increasing calorie burn throughout the day. The high fiber content expands within the stomach, significantly reducing hunger and helping stabilize appetite. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound known to support metabolic health, hormone balance, and liver detoxification, all essential components of fat loss. When roasted, steamed, or added to stir-fries, broccoli becomes a filling, nutrient-dense superfood that helps keep cravings under control. Number 4. Eggs, the high satiety protein. Eggs are among the most effective foods for long-lasting satiety and stable energy levels. At around 70 calories per egg, they offer high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and beneficial fats that slow digestion and keep you full for hours. Eating eggs in the morning can dramatically reduce appetite throughout the day, helping eliminate mid-morning cravings and mindless snacking. Multiple studies show that individuals who eat eggs for breakfast consume fewer calories over the next 24 hours compared to those who choose carbohydrate-heavy meals. Eggs also help regulate blood sugar, making them ideal for anyone aiming to reduce caloric intake without losing energy. Whether boiled, poached, scrambled, or added to salads, eggs are a low-calorie, nutrient-rich, hunger-controlling must-have. Number 5. Leafy greens, the ultimate volume food. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, romaine, and Swiss chard are extremely low in calories but remarkably filling. A large plate of greens often contains fewer than 50 calories, yet thanks to their high water content and abundant fiber, they create a strong sense of fullness. This makes leafy greens one of the most effective appetite-suppressing foods you can eat. They also support fat metabolism by providing essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, which help regulate cellular energy and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens work well with any meal, in salads, smoothies, soups, stir-fries, or even omelets. They help reduce hunger hormones, increase nutrient density, and promote steady energy throughout the day, making fat loss goals much easier to achieve. Number 6. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are perfect for satisfying sweet cravings without sabotaging your calorie goals. Most berries range between 50 and 80 calories per cup, yet they are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and water. Their high fiber content slows digestion and prevents blood sugar fluctuations, reducing cravings and unnecessary snacking. Berries also contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that support metabolic function, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity, all key factors in fat loss. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or salads, or enjoy them as a standalone snack. They provide natural sweetness, satisfying volume, and long-lasting fullness. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Slow-release energy for fat loss. Sweet potatoes may be slightly higher in calories than some foods on this list, but they are incredibly effective for hunger control and long-lasting energy. Their combination of resistant starch and soluble fiber slows digestion significantly, keeping you satisfied for extended periods while helping regulate blood sugar. Their natural sweetness helps curb sugar cravings without consuming refined sugar, while the complex carbohydrates provide slow, stable energy throughout the day. Sweet potatoes also support gut health thanks to their high fiber content, which is critical for metabolism regulation. Eat them baked, roasted, or mashed with spices and herbs for a satisfying and nutritious low-calorie meal component. Number 8. Oatmeal, the breakfast that controls hunger. Oatmeal is one of the best foods for extended fullness due to its unique type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When cooked, this fiber turns into a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing digestion and creating a powerful feeling of fullness that can last for hours. This makes oatmeal an excellent breakfast choice for people who tend to get hungry shortly after eating. Oatmeal also stabilizes blood sugar, improves gut health, and supports a balanced metabolism. When topped with berries, cinnamon, or a small amount of nuts, it becomes a nutrient-dense, low-calorie meal that supports fat burning throughout the day while keeping cravings firmly under control. Number 9. Celery, the zero-calorie fat loss. Celery is famous for being extremely low in calories, about 10 calories per stalk, and it provides a natural thermogenic effect. The body burns more calories digesting celery than the celery actually contains, making it a natural fat loss ally. Its high water and fiber concentration increase fullness, making it a simple and effective snack for controlling hunger between meals. Celery also supports hydration, detoxification, and healthy digestion. Its crunch helps satisfy the urge to snack, and its mild flavor pairs well with low-calorie dips such as Greek yogurt, hummus, or cottage cheese. It's an excellent tool for reducing unnecessary snacking while supporting overall metabolic health. Number 10. Greek yogurt, the high-protein hunger crusher. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse, low-calorie food, perfect for anyone trying to control hunger while supporting fat loss. A typical serving contains roughly 100 to 150 calories, depending on the type, yet it delivers a high concentration of protein, which is the most satiating macronutrient. Protein sends strong signals to the brain that suppress appetite, reduce cravings, and promote longer-lasting fullness. Greek yogurt also supports healthy gut bacteria, which plays a significant role in fat metabolism and energy balance. Its creamy texture and natural tang make it feel indulgent while remaining low in calories. It works beautifully as a snack, breakfast base, or ingredient in smoothies, dressings, or fruit bowls. Add berries, chia seeds, or a light drizzle of honey for added flavor without sacrificing calorie control. This is one of the best foods for keeping hunger in check while nourishing the body with clean, slow-digesting protein. And there you have it, my friend, the top 10 low-calorie foods that curb hunger while helping you burn fat. These foods make weight loss easier, more enjoyable, and far more sustainable. Start adding even a few of them into your daily routine, and you'll notice your cravings decrease, your energy increase, and your body naturally shift toward a healthier weight. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more health and nutrition content, and leave a comment telling me which food you'll start adding to your meals. Your support truly helps the channel grow, and I appreciate you more than you know. See you in the next video.